And today I'm gonna buy the farm animal.
Yay! It's a dairy farm life. And what's inside?
Cow.
There's a cow, and I think that's
The
Old
food.
MacDonald.
That's the
isn't it?
food.
Yeah, that's Wade. And there's, show it to the kids now.
Oh, McDonald's.
There is the truck, and this we're all gonna put all the dairy products. Okay, unboxing time. So this is not suitable for children under 3 years old. Okay, it's choking hazard. There's small parts in it. Okay, Broxy.
Yay!
So this is how it looks
This
like
is
actually at the
season.
back. Look, there's loads of cow. So the farmers, they're getting milk from the cow. Look. And then they're gonna bring it to this factory. And then they're gonna what? They're gonna sell it in the supermarket
Yes.
for Broxy and all other kids and babies to drink.
Yes.
Okay, now open it. There you go. Oh, you dropped the cow. Is this Papa cow? Other way. That's where. There you go. So again, we have the cow, we have the truck, and we have to get the truck here, baby. Look. So that's the truck. And this is the thing where we put all the milk. Look, look, look. We have to put the truck here. There you go.
Mommy, can I take this off?
So what are these? These are, I think, whey or grain. Yeah. This is what the cow eats. Now look at this one.
Where's the plastic?
Hold on. I'll take it out. So this is probably the farmer. This is Old MacDonald, the farmer. Look at, he has a hat. What is a hat on? And these are all the tools that he's gonna use when he's gonna do his farm.
No, another cow. No, another cow.
There's only one cow, and then we're gonna get the rest of our animals and the farm animals there. So that's everything.
What's that?
This is I think it's a wreck. You're gonna use this when you plow the soil in the farm. Is that right?
Mommy.
These are all the things that you use in the farm, bro.
Brush.
It's not a brush. This is the brush. That's the brush. That's the dustpan. There you go. And this is the cow. So we put them all together here. We put them all together.
Can you put the cow in that?
You can't put the cow on that. Just look at this inside. It's like there's a twisting thing inside. That's how to mix all the milk. Is that right?
With the milk, Mom.
Yeah, we're gonna get the milk from the cow. And these are I think these are the wheat that the cow eats to make him healthy. There. So we're gonna put the cow here.
Not gonna get assembled.
There you go.
Not gonna get assembled them. Can I
No, we
assemble?
don't need to assemble them because they're already assembled. Look, the truck is there. Old MacDonald is here with his hat. And the cow is here. And that's all the tools. That's all the tools.
That's the food.
Okay, so you show it to the kids. Come on, you show it to the kids. Look at this, kids. There's a big, healthy mama cow. Isn't she a mama cow? Because she have a milk. Yeah? So again, this is the dairy farm life. There.
Cow.
That's the cow. That's the mama cow.
She's not talking.
No. What does it sound? What the cow sound? There you go. Okay, Brooke, look at this, So this is the brush. This is the shovel. Very good. Brooksy knows. I think this is the rack. This is the rack and the same as that one. So this is what the farmer, look, show it to the kids. These are the farmers used to plow the soil in the farm. Is that right? And the shovel as well. You can use the shovel to do the snow also.
Where's the shovel? Where's another shovel?
There. Yeah, and this is the rack also. You do like this in the soil to dig the soil if they want to put some seeds in the soil. So the farmer do that. There you go, kids. Look at these now. There's lots of things, tools in the farm. Okay, guys. See you on playtime. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.